Imagine a sun-baked village tucked deep in the hills of western Kenya. The air is still and heavy, and every morning as the first light creeps over the horizon, a little girl named Amina wakes before anyone else. She helps her mother fetch water from the stream, sweeps the dust from their yard, and then, barefoot and clutching a battered notebook, she sets out on a 5-mile walk to school. For Amina, this journey is made of dust, rocks, and dreams. Her school isn't grand, it's built from mud bricks and sheets of corrugated iron. The roof leaks during the rains, and when the sun is high, chalk dust hangs thick in the air. There's only one battered chalkboard, a single box of chalk shared by 4 grades, and desks so rare that most kids sit on stones or straight on the floor. But none of that ever mattered to Amina. She loved numbers. While her classmates whispered or drifted away, Amina lit up at the sight of fractions, long division, patterns hidden in equations. At lunch, when others played, she'd draw math problems in the dirt with sticks, solving them from memory since there were no textbooks to take home. She'd repeat numbers to herself as she walked back at dusk, making sure she didn't forget a single lesson. One afternoon, a man appeared at the school. He wore a clean shirt and polished shoes, so out of place it was almost dazzling. His name was Mr. Omondi, a teacher from Nairobi sent by the ministry to evaluate rural schools. He found Amina, bent over the dirt, whispering numbers as she solved a tricky multiplication problem. Her focus was total. He knelt down beside her. "Who taught you this?" he asked quietly. Amina looked up, startled, and shrugged. "No one. I just remember." He watched her solve more problems, awe growing on his face. That very night, Mr. Omondi wrote a letter to an elite Nairobi boarding school. He described a barefoot girl with bright eyes and a mind built for brilliance. Within weeks, a scholarship arrived. The day Amina left, her whole village came to say goodbye. Her mother packed boiled maize and a single shawl. "Study hard," she whispered, tears shining in her eyes, "but don't forget us." Nairobi was a different world, skyscrapers, fast cars, everyone in polished shoes. Amina felt like a pebble in a river of giants. Her English was rough, her clothes were plain, some students mocked her. For the first time, her spirit wavered, she almost gave up. But then she remembered the chalkboard, the dust, her teacher's belief in her, the feel of a stick drawing numbers in the soil. She worked harder than anyone else, fueled by memory and hope. By graduation, she was top of her class. A scholarship took her abroad where she earned her doctorate in mathematics. But Amina didn't stay away. She returned home determined to give back. She built a new school in her village. Clean walls, real desks, books, and enough chalk for every child. On the wall a plaque reads, "To the children who dream with dust and numbers. You are not forgotten." Amina became a professor, a mentor, and a living symbol of what's possible when talent meets opportunity. And somewhere another little girl wakes before dawn, barefoot and dreaming, because Amina showed her that dreams, no matter how dusty, can become something beautiful.